When it comes to improving your home's comfort, security, and curb appeal, a properly installed door plays a bigger role than many homeowners realize. In Hilliard, where seasonal humidity and temperature changes can affect how doors perform, professional installation isn't just about aesthetics, it's about ensuring long-term durability and efficiency. Unfortunately, many homeowners who attempt DIY door installations discover that small mistakes can lead to costly issues down the road. From drafts and sticking doors to gaps and water leaks, improper installation can undermine even the best quality doors. Here's a look at the most common door installation mistakes and how professional installers in Hilliard prevent them to guarantee lasting results. Incorrect measurements and poor fit. One of the most frequent mistakes in door installation is inaccurate measuring. Even a small miscalculation, as little as 1/8 of an inch, can cause the door to fit unevenly, leading to gaps, sticking, or difficulty closing. Installers often overlook factors like door jamb size, floor clearance, and wall depth, resulting in a door that doesn't align properly within its frame. How professionals prevent it? Expert installers take precise measurements of your door opening, frame, and surrounding structure before installation. They use specialized tools to ensure an exact fit and account for factors like flooring thickness and trim. This precision ensures your new door fits snugly, operates smoothly, and maintains a perfect seal for maximum energy efficiency. Misaligned hinges and uneven frames. Another common problem with DIY installations is misaligned hinges or frames. If the hinges aren't perfectly level, the door may swing open or closed on its own, scrape the floor, or fail to latch securely. Over time, this strain can damage both the frame and the door itself. How professionals prevent it? Professional installers use leveling tools, shims, and secure anchoring methods to ensure the door frame is plumb and square. They also make precise hinge placements to balance the door's weight evenly. The result is a smooth operating door that won't warp or sag over time, even with daily use. Inadequate weather sealing and insulation. In a humid and rainy environment like Hilliard, poor sealing is one of the biggest culprits behind drafts, water leaks, and rising energy bills. Gaps around the door frame or improper caulking allow outdoor air and moisture to enter, which can lead to rot, mold, and increased wear on your HVAC system. How professionals prevent it? Experienced installers know how to apply high-quality weather stripping, insulation, and caulk designed for Florida's climate. They ensure every edge, corner, and threshold is properly sealed to prevent moisture intrusion and heat loss. With this attention to detail, your new door contributes to better indoor comfort and improved energy efficiency year-round. Using the wrong materials or hardware. Not all materials are created equal, and the wrong choice can shorten your door's lifespan. For example, standard wood frames may warp in Hilliard's humidity, while low-grade hardware can corrode in coastal air. How professionals prevent it? Local experts understand the importance of using moisture-resistant materials like fiberglass, composite, or treated wood that can withstand Hilliard's weather. They also select rust-resistant hinges, locks, and handles, ensuring your door stays secure and functional for years. By choosing materials tailored to the local environment, professionals guarantee long-term performance and durability. Ignoring structural or alignment issues. Sometimes, what looks like a simple replacement actually reveals deeper problems, such as warped frames, uneven flooring, or moisture damage around the threshold. Installers often ignore or fail to identify these issues, which can lead to more serious complications later. How professionals prevent it? Before installation, professionals perform a thorough inspection of your existing frame and surrounding structure. If they find signs of rot, uneven floors, or damaged drywall, they address these problems first to create a stable foundation. This step ensures your new door functions properly and maintains its integrity long after installation. Poor finishing touches. Even when a door fits well, skipping finishing details like proper paint sealing, hardware alignment, or threshold adjustment can leave it vulnerable to weather damage and early deterioration. How professionals prevent it. A reputable installer doesn't just hang your door, they finish the job with care. From sealing edges to aligning locks and adjusting thresholds, professionals ensure every detail contributes to the door's performance, appearance, and lifespan. Final thoughts for Hilliard homeowners. A new door is more than a home improvement. It's an investment in comfort, safety, and style. While DIY installation might seem tempting, even small mistakes can lead to costly repairs and poor performance over time. By choosing professional installation, you gain peace of mind knowing your door is expertly fitted, sealed, and finished to handle Hilliard's climate with ease. With the right expertise, your doors won't just look beautiful, they'll provide lasting protection, efficiency, and value for years to come.